Hello and welcome to Spindy's Weekly Linkage number 7. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. This linkage might be the first one I'm unable to land properly. It's also the first one I found a mistake in the notation and fixed it, as you can see by the edited mark. It starts with a palm down pinky bus from 3-4 to 3-4. Then there is a pass to 1B 2B FC 1B outside of 2B with an intermediate slot of 1B 3.4 2B. This type of pass can also be called E-Sonic with notated OFC. It may help to pass it to 1B 2B with wiper in because the next trick is a wiper. After the wiper, there's a palm up charge reverse 0.5, partially interrupted by a finger switch, to TP 2P FC TP outside of 2B and un-FC 1B outside of 2B and 1 out. We then transition to wiper reverse with the same FC. Then there is a pass reverse to 2-4 with 3 out and un-FC TP outside of 2B. The linkage finishes with a pinky round from 2-4 to 3-4. I'd be able to do this linkage if it wasn't for the OFC wiper. If some of you out there can do this, you should post it in the Spindy's Discord server. I'd love to see it, and I'm sure others will too. Thanks for watching. You can check out the previous linkages on my channel and see the future ones on the Spindy's Discord server. See you next week.